Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to apply for Canada citizenship online. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have opened this citizenship application page on IRCC site. Okay. Now there are some conditions and you need to fulfill before you can actually apply online. And in certain situation, you have to apply on paper even today. Okay. So you can apply if you are an adult, 18 years age of older, you are permanent resident who want to become a Canadian citizen. As a minor who's under citizen and who has one parent who's a Canadian citizen or one parent who's applying for their Canadian citizenship at the same time. Okay. As a minor who's and does not have parent. Okay, fine. So I don't have to go through all these cases, but just for the sample video, we'll go through this section. This situation we'll cover. Okay. So when you come here for the first time, you have to create an account. Okay. I mean, I assume you don't have an account. You need to agree. Okay. You need to when you're coming here for the first time, create an account. You need to put your email address, password, and then click on create an account. Okay. So I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, guys. So what happens here is like after you go to that step where you put your email ID and password in order to create the account, the system sends a code to your email ID. Okay, that you need to put in to verify your account. Then you come here. So now I'm gonna put my credentials and I'm gonna log in. Okay, guys. So I've logged in into my account. So you're gonna see here this option, create an application. So I'm gonna create an application and I'm selecting this adult one. Okay. I'm putting sample values you need to do as per your own case. So let's say your name is John Smith and you are applying. Include middle name if applicable. What's your date of birth? So I'm just putting sample. You do as per your own case. Let's say 1995. Yeah. Okay. I can click on create application. Okay. Invite other adults to apply as you co-apply, submit along with applying other group process at the same time. So this I will cover up in a different video. For this video, I'll just go for individual. Click on start. Tell us in which language would you like to receive service. I select English. Do you have any special needs requiring accommodation? I select no. UCI, okay, unique client identifier. So in all your communication to IRCC, you have this number 8 or 10 digit. Okay, I'm putting a sample. Not sure if it's gonna be accepted or not. Have you changed your name since becoming a PR? I select no. Have you ever used any other name? I select no. Gender. Do you need to change your gender designation for citizenship? I select no. Height. So I'm just putting 165 centimeter. You can do it feet and inches. Eyes color. I select black. Date of birth. You want to edit? You can do. Have you corrected your date of birth on your immigration document or legally changed it since coming to Canada? I select no. You need to correct your date of birth for your citizenship application. I select no. And you cannot change this after submit application. Place of birth, city or town. Well, if you have lived for many years in Canada, definitely they have all the information that you have submitted previously. Country. Marital status. I select single. Okay. Now we can go to next, and whichever section is going to be completed, it's going to be green. You see here. Next. Contact. Uh, Home address. So you are in Canada now, I assume. Is the mailing address same as yes? Search address. I'm just putting. Okay, of course, I don't want to put in random address, so instead I'll go for manual. Okay, street number I put. Of course, like if you rewrite a real address, you can do that. I mean, you can find your real address. Just sample. Primary phone number Canada I select. Type of phone number cellular I select. Phone number it has asked. Do you have other alternative phone number? I select no, but it's always good to provide. Why not? If you have. Is someone helping filling out? I select no. Do you want to appoint a representative? I select no. But it's all up to you. Identification. Okay. They have asked to upload a photo and provide the photographer, name of photographer, address where um, this photo was taken, date when it was taken, personal identification. You need to provide two pieces of ID. You need to, okay, to be valid, personal ID. So PR card you can definitely do and passport also. Okay. And now two is driver license. So this is a very common thing. Okay. You can add this. Of course, I don't want to do this. Let me see if I can go to other option without. Yes, I can go, but definitely I under identify is not a tick mark because I'm not completed, but you definitely do it. Residence and tax. List all addresses inside and outside of Canada during your entire 5-year eligibility. Okay, so let's say 5-year eligibility, so 2020. If you still live here, then do this one. So let's say this guy has never changed his address. So there's nothing to do. A sample, guys. Three, India. Okay. Oh no, not India. I'm sorry. It's in Canada. It's asking for search address. Again, I go for manually because I don't want to put my address there for the sample video. City and town, province. Wow. In the past 4 years, were you in a country or territory other than Canada for 1 or 3 or days or more in a row? Okay. Since the age of 18. I select in the past 4 years. Were you in a country or territory other than Canada for no, since the age of 18? So I'm selecting yes. Okay. Because it's so you need to do as per your own case. Like in past 4 years, were you in a country or territory other than Canada for what is in a row since the age of 18? So if you go for no, it will not ask for this. But if you ask for yes, so you do as per your own case, whichever is applicable. You provide sorry, I select yes. So you need to provide it. In country, do you have social insurance number? I select yes. Provide that. Did you file your taxes? 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 And this is a consent to use SIN. Okay. And you should provide because they will get the information. Do you currently have ever held immigration or citizenship in the country other than Canada? This includes your country of birth. Yes. Okay. So this I'm gonna say like this particular guy is an Indian citizen as of now because he's applying for citizenship. He hasn't got yet. So India not applicable. So let's say from his birth itself, he has got. Uh, I don't remember what was his date of birth I put, but whatever it was, you can just put here if that's applicable to you. Okay. Do you have had travel document passport during 5 years eligibility? Yes. So passport information, okay, and you need to save. But again, I don't have to go through all that. I'm just yeah, work, school, and activities. Enter the details of all your employment and education. So let's say for 5 years, this guy has been working. Currently working. Let's say he's an IT consultant. Employer or education institution. I'm just putting sample. You do it as per your to. So country or territory. I select like he's working in Canada. Again, it will ask for address. Yeah. Select manually. I'm just gonna put uh, yeah. Of course, you know your address. It's just sample. Say this one I completed to begin. Prohibitions. Are you serving a term of imprisonment on probation, on parole? Are you now serving sentence outside Canada for an offense? Are you now charged with or trial for subject for part of an appeal against no? Canada? Removal order? So you read all these questions about criminality and then answer. While permanent, have you been convicted of terrorism, high treason, but outside of kind of terrorism, served as a member of armed forces? Is a confirm. Uh, Armed force a country or territory or an organized armed group, and that country or territory engaged in armed conflict with Canada. I said no. And I take no for next. Do you have the proof of language of English, French? Yes. Which proof you have? Data from post-secondary progress report, English language test. Let's say he has English language test. So you need to upload that file. आपको. I'm going for next. Physical presence calculator. During past 5 years, did you live outside of Canada as a ground servant? I said no. Also, Canada as a family member of ground servant? I said no. Date you became permanent resident? So do it as per your own case, guys. This is just sample. Say me. Say. During 5 years, eligibility, did you spend time serving sentence? I said no. Did you leave Canada for any reason? I said no. Select calculate. Yeah, wow. Consent. Considered from member of parliament. Why not? National registration for voters. Yeah, why not? Who doesn't want to vote? Certificate you want to receive. Anything you can do. Optional document. Is there any document that you want to do? You can do this. Now, why I'm not saying next option? Because I have some pending tabs. You need to do that. And then when you go to pay fee, like you need to pay the fee online. I have already made a video about it, how you can do that. And you have to attach the receipt here. Then under review and this, of course, like you cannot go to next, but once it is there, you're going to next and you're going to digitally sign. Okay. That's how it works, guys. And hopefully I gave you the complete walkthrough. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Next time I'm going to make for the couple.